Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy, and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to J&J English Cafe. I am John.
And I am Judy. It is so good to see you today. How are you doing, John?
Well, actually, I am a little bit stressed today. I'm looking for a new job, but I do not know where to start. It feels very difficult.
Oh, do not be sad, John. Many people feel that way. Looking for a job is a big task, but we can make it simple.
That is good to hear. Where should I look first? Should I just walk into every shop in the city?
Wow, that is one way to do it. But today, most people use the internet. You can use websites or apps for jobs. Some famous ones are LinkedIn or local job boards.
Oh, I see. So I just look on my phone?
Yes. But also, do not forget your friends. Sometimes, a friend knows a company that needs workers. We call this networking.
Networking. That sounds like a big word. So it just means talking to people?
Exactly. Just tell your friends, hey, I am looking for a job as a waiter or an office assistant. They might help you.
Okay, that sounds easy. But Judy, every job asks for a resume. What is a resume exactly?
Think of a resume as a paper that introduces you. It is like a movie poster for your life. It shows the best parts of your work history.
A movie poster. I like that. So, what do I need to write on this paper?
First, you need your contact information. This is very important. Write your full name, your phone number, and your email address.
Should I include my home address too?
Usually, just the city is enough. But you must check your email every day. If a boss likes you, they will send you an email.
Okay. Name, phone, and email. What is next?
Next is your work experience. This is a list of your old jobs. You should write the name of the company and how long you worked there.
But Judy, what if I do not have a lot of experience? This is my first real job.
Do not worry. If you are a student, you can write about your school projects. Or maybe you helped at a charity. We call that volunteer work. It shows that you are a hard worker.
Oh, I helped my uncle at his cafe last summer. Does that count?
Yes, that is perfect. Write that down. It shows you can talk to customers and work in a busy place.
Nice. What about skills? My friend says I should write that I am good at video games. Is that a good idea?
Well, maybe not for an office job. You should list skills that help the company. For example, can you use a computer? Do you speak English and Mandarin? Are you good at math?
Oh, I see. So, I should write computer skills and languages.
Yes. And keep it simple. Use short sentences. Use bullet points so it is easy to read. A boss only looks at a resume for a few seconds.
Only a few seconds? Wow, that is very fast.
It is. That is why your resume must be very clean. No mistakes. Check your spelling many times.
That is a good tip. I do not want the boss to think I am lazy.
Exactly. After you finish your resume, you can send it to the company. Sometimes you do this online, and sometimes you go there in person.
If I go in person, what should I say?
Just be polite. Say, hello, I am looking for a job. Here is my resume. Thank you for your time.
Oh, that is not too scary.
Not at all. And remember, John, it is okay if some people say no. You just need one person to say yes.
Thank you, Judy. I feel much better now. I'm going to go home and start writing my resume.
That is the spirit. Good luck, John, and good luck to all our listeners who are looking for jobs too.
Thank you everyone for listening. See you next time at the cafe.
Goodbye.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.